Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas and day 15 in the unboxing of the advent calendars. So I'm going to go straight into our Airwick calendar right here, and I've already found number 15. Oh, I'm so excited. Number 15. 10 days till Christmas, or it might even be like 9 days to you guys know what I'm saying. So let's see. We have another white one, which is the Winter Wonderland. Lovely. Moving on to the advent calendar that I made myself. Oh gosh. Oh, number 15's right there. Thank goodness. Oh god. They're all falling out. Oh my god. So what have we got in here? Ooh. So I have two things today. We have the Avon True Glimmer Stick Eyeliner in Majestic Plum. Majestic Plum. Ooh, so that's actually, oh, that'll be really, really nice. It's not like a purple, like it doesn't look purple, if that makes sense. It's like, it's hard to explain. That'll look really, that'll be very wearable, like it's not like an in your face, I've got purple eyeliner on. And then we've got Plum Dazzle Lip Gloss. Glazewear lip gloss in Plum Dazzle. So those are the two things that came in my calendar this time. Let's move on to the Serpent Glory calendar. Number 15, I've already found it, but I've lost the scissors. Literally, I put things down and then I can never find them again. Number 15. Oh, this is quite interesting actually. I think it's funny when you get similar things in calendars. Oh no, I can't even get this out. Oh no, this one's well stuck in. Okay. So this is another eyeliner and it's like another purple eyeliner. Is it really? Is it too bright? Look at the state of my wispy hair. I tried to like pull some of it down so it looks like I have hair. Crazy Sexy Call in the shade something. I can't see what the shade is. Oh, Grapevine. So let's have a look. This one is more purple. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see. That's this one here. This one here, and it is more purple, but it's still a really nice shade, so I cannot wait to use these. I am so warm, you guys, this cardigan. Cheers! Okay, let's go into the Sleek calendar. Can't wait another day. Number 15. Number 15. I found it straight away. This is another pencil type thing. What is this going to be? If this is a purple eyeliner, like, I'm gonna be shook. Or it might be it. Oh. What is it? I thought it was gonna be a brush then. Okay, so this one, it's another eyeliner, twist up eye pencil in the shade Chocolate. That would have been so weird. But it is, oh, it's very nice brown. A very nice brown eyeliner. Okay, we're getting lots of eyeliners. I'm not complaining, by the way, about that. I'm excited. So now we're going to move on to the L one. Right, number 15. I can see it right here. Oh, it's so annoying trying to get into this thing. I think by the time you get to like day 15, you kind of like, I'm sick of this difficult calendar now. Woohoo! We did it! This is a Bobbi Brown lip colour. This is going to make me wish I didn't have any lipstick on. But it's fine. Oh, it's so tiny. Look how little it is. So cute. And, oh, it's a nude. Oops, it's a nude, so it's very wearable. And it's in the shade Sandwash Pink. I'm not going to swatch it because it looks so pretty. But I will use it and I will let you guys know like when I'm wearing it in like vlogs and stuff. So, pretty! What's next? So next I'm going to go into the Glossy Box one. This one's a lot easier to deal with because they're on shelves. Oh, that one is just like all over, and the other Body Shop one is just going to be all over. Ooh, what do we have in here? Okay. Oh! Oh! What is this? What is this? Incredible Jelly Shot. Sounds fun. So it's just like a lip, is it a lip balm? So, it's just some kind of lip balm. Can you see that? Oh, you can't really see. Oh my god, it's got a little flower in it! That is so cute! Doesn't really smell, it smells a bit, it doesn't smell great. So, I mean, lip quencher. So, in my head, that basically means like a lip balm. Exciting! I'll definitely be using that. My lips are so dry. Oh, I hate my lips so much. Right, let's move on to Body Shop. Day number 15. Ah, they're all gonna fall out! Oh god, it's right down here as well. Oh, steady, steady now, steady. Oh, this feels heavy, you guys. I don't know what this is, but it feels heavy. Oh, it's like a body wash or a shower gel type thing. Oh, it's Moringa shower gel, and this is like a full size one. We get a lot of like the little minis. I don't think we got one of these last year, like a full size body wash. It was just the mini ones. That smells really nice. It reminds me of Magnolia a little bit. Is that a thing? Moringa. So yeah, I love that. That's so cute. And finally, the Look Fantastic one. Oh, we have a Sleek Eye Divine palette in a new day. Let's just have a quick look at this. I don't think I have this one. The name doesn't sound familiar. Although I do have quite a lot of Sleek palettes. Oh! Right, so let's have a look. Oh, very nudie. Nothing too exciting. I don't get overly excited about nudes. A lot of you guys probably already know that, but it is a nice palette though, and I'm seeing like some nice shimmer shades in here. I mean, it's a good palette. It's a very wearable palette, and there's definitely some good shimmer shades in there as well, which I very much appreciate. So I will be using that. So that is everything that we got in day 15 of our advent calendars. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far and that you're all having a wonderful December. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye!